a lot of principals struggle with, how do I monitor? Do I hover? Do I attend every collaborative team meeting? When I meet with them, what questions do I ask? What actions will our team take to provide extra time and support for those who need it? What actions will our team take to extend learning for those who already have it? And the key to those questions is to insist that teachers bring evidence to the table, not hunches, not feelings, and not nuance. Evidence. And so the principal has to be disciplined enough to insist on that. And when a team doesn't bring evidence, you either got to get them coached up, you got to turn them away, and then reschedule the time. And then the principal's listening for two things. One, we're monitoring to make sure the right work is happening, because there are 1,000, 1,100 distractions coming at teachers all the time, and we have to help keep that compass straight. And then two, you're listening for how to support teachers, how to support those teams, because again, the main job of a principal in my eyes is to hunt and gather all the resources and supports teachers need to do this work.